Chan Chich Lodge in northwestern Belize by the Guatemala and Mexico borders has a wonderful swimming pool. Great place for an afternoon dip. But if you can tear yourself away from that and position yourself at a shallow place along Chan Chich Creek and hold still, you'll be rewarded with the sight of birds coming in to bathe. Some of them will be classic tropical nightmare birds, plain green, no markings. You'll hope for a male, and you'll often be obliged, like this red-capped manakin with his beautiful yellow thighs and yellow chin, pale blue eye, and of course, brilliant red helmet. And if you hold still, you'll be amazed at how close they may approach. You may see some old friends from home, like hooded warblers, coming down to use the same area, and Louisiana water thrushes hunting. And one of the prized bathers is the purple-crowned fairy, wonderfully named little hummingbird. This is a male. He comes in, inspects the water carefully, and then quite avidly goes at bathing. Getting that dust off and getting those feathers back in good shape and getting on with the rest of his day.